Okay, so there's the lumber. Got back from the lumber company, ready to start the project. So here's my material, a 4x8, 1/2 inch plywood. I got treated. Then we got the 4 2x10s by 10 feet, but I actually got 12 feet, and they were treated. Then I got 2x4s by 8 feet treated, 2 of those. And this is a little piece of 1/2 inch that I had left over from another project. And then I got this AstroTurf stuff from Ollie's, which I'm going to use on the top. So I'm just going to put the 2x10s on those little junk boards I got there so I can cut the angle. So I finished cutting the 2x10s. I got a 3-foot platform on the top, and then 7 foot of taper down, 1 inch per foot. And now all I got to do is block it together. I'm going to make it 4 feet wide. I don't have a 2x10 that's 4 feet long for the ends, but I'm just going to make do with the leftover lumber that I have. Wow, look, I discovered the coolest thing. Remember I said I didn't have a 2x10 long enough to go across the end? Well, if I take those angled pieces that I cut off and I put them together, they make a 2x10 that'll fit across the end. Amazing. Just went ahead and put them together with 2.5 inch deck screws. All right, so I got it all blocked up, ready to put the 1/2 inch plywood on. And you can see I got a pitching rubber that's going to go right across those beams there. So before you start screwing the plywood on, you need to make a little map where all the cross members are so you can see where to put the screws. All right, got the grass, the artificial grass, all stapled on there. All right, I think it's done. Got the wheels on the back, so when you pick up the front, the wheels will engage with the ground. And we got the pitching pad on there. And I put some handles on this side. Good job. Well, I live in a small town. I wasn't able to get the right kind of caster wheels, I guess, because when I pick this up, the wheels don't really contact the ground. So I got these other kind of wheels I'm just going to put underneath it. Okay, that's what the bottom of it looks like. And you see the problem with the caster wheels that I got, you need wheels that are closer to the bottom when you screw them on. I got the wrong kind of wheels, obviously. Okay, so I took off that caster wheel that didn't work, and I put on this wheel that I had from my jet ski ramp dock thing that I made. Of course, I special ordered that wheel, but I had a couple left over, so that's what I'm going to use. So those wimpy steel handles I got on the end here, they're really weak. So I decided it'd be better to have a rope attached there. I drilled a couple holes, put a rope through there, and now I can pull it around with the lawnmower or the four-wheeler. It's a little heavy since I extended this back platform a foot. I have 3-foot platform instead of 2 feet. But I think it all came out well.